Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back in my channel. Okay, in this video we are learning about exercise unit 3 and the topic is heat. Okay, this material is for grade 4 elementary school. Are you ready to start? Let's say basmalah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sources of heat. Question number 1. Answer the question based on the picture below. Look at the lady. Question A. List 2 activities that use heat. The first is baking or cooking, and the second is drying clothes. Question B. What are the sources of heat in your answer for A1 and A2? Okay, do you still remember? Activity 1 is cooking or baking, and the source of heat that we need is oven or fire. And the second activity is drying clothes, and the source of heat that we need is sun. Okay, question C. Why does the lady wear oven gloves? Okay, and the answer is to protect her hands from the heat. Question D. What are the other uses of heat in our daily life? List 2 examples. The first is for keeping warm, and the second for removing greases. Question E. Can we live without heat, and why? And I think the answer is no, we can't, because we need heat to warm our body and cook our food. The next part is about temperature. How do we measure the temperature of water in the picture below? Fill in the blanks with the correct answer. Okay, the girl is using a thermometer, and this is the way how we use the thermometer. Question A. Immerse the tip of the thermometer into the water. Question B. Make sure the part of the thermometer immersed must not touch the base of the beaker. Question C. Hold the end of the thermometer in vertical position. Question D. When the liquid in the glass tube of thermometer stops moving, position the eyes at the same level as the top of the liquid. Question E. The temperature of the water is, okay, look at this result. And the temperature of the water is 27 degrees Celsius. Next question. Name the types of thermometers below. State what they measure. Okay, picture A. The type is digital medical thermometer, and picture B is wall thermometer. And picture A to measure the body temperature, and wall thermometer is used to measure room temperature. The next part is about how heat travels. Question number 4. Answer the question below based on the given situation. Hakim has made a cup of tea that is too hot to drink, so he put some ice in it. Question A. How does the ice help to cool down the tea? And the answer is the heat from the hot tea flows to the cold ice. the hot tea loses heat and becomes colder. Question B. Why does the ice melt when put into the hot tea? And the answer is because the ice gains heat from the hot tea, causing it to melt. Question C. What will happen to the spoon when it is put into the hot tea? And the answer is the spoon will become hot. Question D. Explain your answer in C. Because the colder spoon gains heat from the hot tea. Question number 5. Fill in the blanks with the correct answer. A. The diagram shows the effects of heat on a metal ball. The metal ball is heated, and the observation, the size of the metal ball increases. And then the metal ball is cooled down. So, the observation is the size of the metal ball decreases and returns to its original size. And the conclusion from this experiment, the solid expands when heated and contracts when cooled. Activity B. The diagram shows the effects of heat and a color liquid. Activity 1. The colored water is heated, and the observation is the level of colored water rises. And then the colored water is cooled down, and then the level of colored water drops. So, the conclusion from this experiment is the liquid expands when heated and contracts when cooled. Activity C. The diagram shows the effect of heat on a gas in a conical flask. Activity 1. The air in the conical flask is heated, and the observation is the level on the red ink rises. And after that, the air in the conical flask is cooled down, and the level of red ink drops. And the conclusion from this activity is the gas expands when heated and contracts when cooled. Question number 6. Fill in the blanks with the correct answer. Look at the railway tracks. The railway tracks are made of metal. The tracks are built with gaps to allow expansion during the hot weather. This is to prevent the tracks from bending out of shape due to expansion. Okay, now the next part is about conductors of heat. Question number 7. Answer the following questions based on the pictures given. Okay, look at picture X and picture Y. Okay, answer the question. What are both X and Y made of? Okay, you can guess. And the answer is both X and Y are made of metal. Next questions. What is the use of each X and Y? The use of X is for boiling water, and the use of Y is for cooking food. Next question. Why are X and Y made of the material you answer in A? Okay, and the answer is because metal is a good conductor of heat. Okay, next. Both X and Y have handles. What are the handles made of? Explain why it is used to make the handles. Okay, do you know? Yeah, This handle is made of plastic because it is a poor conductor of heat. Next, suggest one material that is suitable to make the handles. Okay, besides plastic, we can use wood or rubber. Okay, you can choose the correct or the suitable material. Okay, now let's go to objective questions. Choose the best answer. Question number 1. What is our main source of heat? Okay, you know, the answer is sun. Question number 2. Which of the following are the uses of heat? 1. For making water hot. 2. For ironing crumpled clothes. 3. For baking chocolate muffin. 4. For drying wet clothes. And the answer is 1, 2, 3, and 4. They are the uses of heat. Question number 3. What is the meaning of temperature? Okay, and you know the answer. The temperature is the degree of hotness or coldness. Question number 4. Which of the following tool is used to measure temperature? And the answer is thermometer. Question number 5. What is the temperature reading of the water in the diagram below? Okay, look at the picture. And the temperature is 34.5 degrees Celsius. Question number 6. Which of the following is the correct method to take the reading of a thermometer? And the correct answer is picture A. Look. Question number 7. The diagram below shows a metal spoon that is placed in a cup of tea. Why does the metal spoon become hotter after a while? Okay, this is a metal spoon and this is a hot tea. And the answer is the metal spoon gains heat from the hot tea. Question number 9. The diagram below shows the railway tracks at 2 different times in a day. What is the time during P and Q? Look at the railway tracks and look at the gaps. And the answer is C. At 10:30 p.m. and at 1 p.m. Question number 10. The diagram below shows 4 different types of spoon placed in a beaker of hot water. Which spoon will be the hottest after 1 minute? And the answer is metal spoon. Next, answer all the questions below. Number 1. The picture below shows Mrs. Sarah taking the temperature of her son. Question A. How does Mrs. Sarah measure the temperature of her son? And the answer is use her hand. Question B. What is the weakness of the measuring method used by Mrs. Sarah? And the answer is Mrs. Sarah will not get an accurate reading of body temperature. Mrs. Sarah then measured her son's body temperature by using a clinical thermometer as shown in the picture below. Question C. In your opinion, will Mrs. Sarah get an accurate reading of her son's body temperature? And the answer is yes, she will. And give your reason. Because she used a clinical thermometer to read the temperature. Alhamdulillah, this is the end of the lesson for today. Hope this video is helpful for preparing class tests. See you in my next video. Don't forget to give like, good comment, and share to other students that need this video. Thank you for watching. See you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.